If you're brand new to TikTok and you have less than 1,000 subscribers or followers, watch this video if you've tried everything, because I'm going to provide 5 expert legendary marketing tips that nobody is talking about. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, guys, so if you're brand new to TikTok, it can be extremely frustrating. It can be extremely difficult to grow and potentially make money. But what I'm going to reveal today are simple tips that you can implement today to start growing your subscriber count, to start growing your following, and more importantly, make money. Now, on my original TikTok account, I had about 50,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, I lost it, but since then, I've been building it back up using the exact same techniques that I'm going to share with you today. The first thing that I recommend that you do before you start taking advantage of these viral hacks is to identify your niche or your target audience. You need to have a niche or a target audience so that you can create the best type of content for that audience. Now that you have that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at hack number 1. Hack number 1, if you take a look at my computer, I am in TikTok, but I'm in incognito mode. I'm not logged in. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to take a look at the videos that are going viral globally. I don't want to just focus on the videos that are working locally. I want to take a look at the things that are working globally. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going to scroll through and see if I can find a video that is relevant to my niche. For example, if I was in the pet niche, or I was in, the cat niche, I could take a look at this video that has over 4.4 million likes, and I could find a way to apply this to my niche. Now, let's say I was creating a digital product about pet care or cat care or a pet checklist. I could then stitch this video and create content. Now, the reason why I want to do this is we know that this video is working very well, and we want to piggyback off of that success. And so what I would do at this point is I found the video, I would simply copy the link, I would transfer this video over to my TikTok account. If we take a look at my phone here, I would come back over to TikTok like this, and I would try and make sure that this video is able to be stitched or stitchable. And so I'm just going to paste that in, click search like this, and see if I can find the video. Now, this can take a couple minutes. If that doesn't work, you can always go to the web browser, paste it in, click go, and it's going to ask you to open it up in TikTok. Either way will work. Now, once this loads, we're going to try and do the next step, which is to stitch the video. With stitching, you are going to let the video run for the first 10 or 15 seconds, and then we can cut in, and then we can talk about whatever it is that we talk about. So if I'm in the pet niche, I could say, hey, this is a great video, but what if there was a way to teach this cat new tricks? And then if I had a digital product to sell, if I was doing affiliate marketing, I could recommend that product or service, or I could add a call to action, which we're going to talk about in a moment. But one of the cool things that you can do is stitch videos that are already working very well, because we know that they work. This way, it takes the guesswork out. One of the biggest problems a lot of new TikTokers have is they're spending a lot of time guessing. They're doing a lot of guesswork. They're testing stuff out, and they're trying to figure out what works. However, if you go to what's already working, you can piggyback off that method. Here's another example here. If we are in the recipes, or if we are in the food niche, we could piggyback or stitch off of this video, and we could talk about different recipes. Maybe we could come up with a keto version of this video. I don't know if this is keto or not, but we could come up, if we were in the keto space, we could come up with a keto version of this recipe. You just keep scrolling, scroll all the way through. Maybe, again, if we're in the recipes or keto niche, we could point out the best products that Walmart has that are keto friendly. This is more back to school, but you can see scrolling through here and picking out videos that are already working, doing stitches can be a great way to piggyback off of what's working and help you make more money. Way number 2, and I really like this opportunity, is to jump into the comment section of videos that are already doing very well and create video comments. Now, the reason why I like doing this is simply that a lot of bigger TikTokers, they don't take the time to comment on people that are asking questions. And if we come in and we comment, we can actually help build our following. We can answer the question, we can build trust, we can build credibility, and that can help us make more money. So watch this on my phone as I show you what to do. I'm going to click that search button here, and I'm going to type in my niche. For example, let's say side hustles like this. I'm going to click on search, and let this be the one time that TikTok is not actually working for this. But the next step would be to sort the results by likes, and then sort the results within the last videos that have the most likes likes within the last 3 months. And so once we have that, I would cycle through, find videos that have lots of views, and then I would just jump into the comment section. So if I could quickly find one to give you an idea of what I would do, let's say I'm in the pet niche. I'm going to click on the comments right here, and then I'm simply looking for people that are asking questions like, how do you get your dog to stop peeing in the house? Or how do you train your dog not to bark? How to whatever it is. And then I would simply just make a video reply, and then I would post it. The cool thing with video replies is, one, that video reply is going to go directly to the person that asked that question. Number two, that video reply actually shows up in that larger content creator's video. And so as people are scrolling through the comment section, they're going to see your video and they're going to watch your video. And what that does is it actually brings people back to your TikTok account. And the third thing is that video stays on your TikTok account. Let's say the original content creator doesn't like your answer and they delete it, but it still ends up and stays on your account. So you've got almost unlimited content ideas. You are reaching out and answering questions and solving problems for people that are already in your niche, and you can actually borrow authoritative traffic. So influencers that have tons of views already, you can actually take advantage of that by simply leaving a video comment. Another great way to build your following and build a deeper connection is simply to create a video comment for each new subscriber. Now, this is really cool because people don't expect it. In 2023, people just expect to be a number. But if you're reaching out to individuals and you're just saying, thank you for following me, that actually builds a deeper connection and can help you create fans instead of just viewers. Now, ultimately, if you're creating content online, you're an internet marketer, you don't want just viewers. You want fans. Fans will fight for you. Fans will buy stuff from you, and fans will give you longevity. So what I like to do, and what I used to do, is I'd come over to Inbox, I would look at my new followers, and I would simply just create a 30-second video. I'd figure out whatever their name is, and I would just hold my phone up and say, hey, Frank, thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about starting a successful online business, simply reply down below and I'll create a video comment. Really, it's as simple as that. It's a quick 15-second video. You'd be surprised how much that builds trust for your viewers. In fact, it got to the point where people were saying, hey, it's been 5 days since you thanked me. And that gives you basically unlimited content ideas. But one cool way, one simple way is simply just to hop on, make a quick 15-second video thanking the new subscriber for subscribing. Now, that wasn't my idea. I actually got that idea from an email app called Bonjour. Basically, what you can do with the email app, and this isn't an ad, but what you can do with the email app is you can create a quick video and send it to new email subscribers. I basically borrowed that idea from them, but it actually works out really well with building trust and credibility and actually making a few more dollars. The fourth way that you can build a following and make more money is by adding this call to action to the end of all of your videos. Instead of saying subscribe, tell them to send you a direct message. DM me if you have any questions. Now, again, this helps build trust, this helps build credibility, and you can use this as an opportunity to sell your products. If you have less than 1,000 followers or subscribers on TikTok, you can't put your link in the description. However, if you tell them to DM you, and they do, you actually have someone that's really interested in buying a product or service that you are selling or recommending. But a real simple, a real easy way to make more money is just say, hey, if you got questions, send me a DM. Or DMs are open. Believe it or not, help you make more money even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. The fifth and final way that I really like is actually calling out industry norms. Now, an industry norm is something that is common, something that is a standard practice within your niche. And if you call that out, you will build a following. You have to think with every issue, there's a person that's for it and a person that's against it. There's a person that believes it and a person that doesn't believe it. For example, what I used to do is anytime I saw a video where people were claiming that you could start a side hustle watching ads and make $300 per day, I would stitch it, I would duet it, and I would say, this person is full of it. This is why it won't work. And I would lay out all the reasons why it won't work. Now, you have to think there will be people that believe that method of watching ads and making $100 per day will work. But the other side will say, see, I told you this won't work. You're calling out industry standards. You're calling out the elephant in the room, and people will rally behind you and say, yes, this doesn't work. I've tried it in the past. This is a terrible way to make money. So figure out whatever your industry standards are. If you are in the pet niche, if there is an accepted way to potty train your pet and everybody believes that this is how you should potty train your pet, you can create a video going against that standard. Now, only go against the standard if you truly believe it. Don't just make content to make content. Always be transparent, honest, and create content with integrity. But the 5 ways that you can grow your TikTok account and make money is taking advantage of viral videos by going incognito mode, creating video comments on other videos. You can tell people your DMs are open. You can call out industry norms, and you can reach out to subscribers, thanking them for joining. Now that you know these 5 legendary hacks, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.